With Pipedrive, one can know how to integrate sales CRM with the messaging app Slack. This video is brought to you by Software Horsepower. Let's log into the Pipedrive account. This is how the user interface screen looks like. On the left side of the interface, the black color is the dashboard. Here in the bottom, on clicking three dots, one can see the options like User Overview, Workflow Automation, Smart Document, Propose Times, Import Data, Merge Duplicates, Marketplace, Academy Videos, Knowledge-Based, Community and Mobile Apps. Let's integrate and click on Workflow Automation. Here one can see options of tools and apps. On clicking it, one gets various options. Let's click on Slack. Here, Slack integration is already installed. Dealupdates, configure Dealbot to send a message every time a deal you own or follow is updated. There are various options one can choose when a deal is made. There is a condition every time a deal updates or follows in Pipedrive. And the actions are as follows. These three actions will take place when a deal is moved to another stage. The dealer is assigned to a different user, note is added, deal is won. Now, let's take it to the next level, that is automate with Slack integration. For this, let's go to Workflow Integration. The new interface will appear. Here one has three options already: key recipes of automating and integrating with Slack. Every time a deal is moved to a new stage, send a private Slack message. Secondly, every time a deal is moved to a new stage, send a Slack message to a channel. And lastly, every time a lead is converted into a deal, send a Slack message to the channel. Let's choose the first one, where every time a deal is moved to a new stage, send a private Slack message. Whenever one will move a deal into a Pipedrive, the trigger configuration is optional. But when these conditions are fulfilled, a private select message can be sent. Press on Continue, and one can choose who can trigger this automation. Choose a workflow title and save. So this is how workflow automation has been created in the Slack pipe, which says that every time a deal is moved to a new stage, a private Slack would be set. And it will be activated with green color. Contact Software Horsepower and book a demo. Visit softwarehorsepower.com.